Hey guys, welcome back to the Little Metal Workshop. I'm Kent, sometimes known as the Bearded Welder. If you want to support the channel, head down below, check out the link, buy some merch. Helps us out so we can make more videos. Anyhow, today's video, had this thing for about 2 months now. I've used the crap out of it. Aluminum welding, steel welding, some TIG on aluminum and stainless steel, and some regular steel. I am still in love with this helmet. The weight is good. The headgear is exceptional. The vision is immaculate. That's all you need, right? Is it worth the price? Maybe. Now, I got a good deal on this one. New old stock. It's not the ADV. It's the older one with the dials. I recommend this one over the ADV from stuff that I've read. This happens to be the steampunk edition because new old stock. That's what I could get. Anyhow, shades work really good. I'm running about 9 for MIG welding, which is good for my older eyes. I need more light. And the lighting in the shop, while excellent, does cause some reflections in the lens. So I'm gonna have to attach a flap to it. Not a big deal. Really, that's my only complaint, and it has nothing to do with the helmet. It's the lighting in the shop. So easy to adjust. It's just dials. Delay time, sensitivity, shade. There's a switch to go between shades 5 and 8, and then switch it over. It goes 9 to 13. Pretty darn easy. Like I said, I'm running about a 9.5, 9 3/4 for regular MIG welding. Delay time is set about in the middle, and the sensitivity set almost dead center in the middle. Everything's worked really well. No battery problems. No sensor problems. A couple things that I really like, because I do this. Well, you can't see it, but I set it down on its face a lot because I got grinding dust and maybe some grease or oil or something on the bench, and I don't want to get it on the headgear, so I set it face down. The way it's designed, you hit here and here. It doesn't sit on the lens. So that's a good point. Lenses are easily replaceable, and they're not expensive. I bought, I think, 20 of them, something like that. I got 10 inners and 10 outers for like, it was less than $30. So, anyway, let's, you saw it weld? That was you guys looking at the weld, not me. That was you guys watching the weld. That's why the weld isn't great, but, because I was using my take with me and beat the crap out of fixed shade helmet. So, anyhow, it's good. Is it worth it? Once again, up to you. It's expensive. You only get one set of eyes, and you might as well make welding as comfortable as possible. At least that's my opinion. Yeah, crappy hood, crappy lens, not being able to see well, uncomfortable, heavy. This is just perfect. It's light, and everything works as it should. So yeah, I say buy it, but up to you. Let me know down in the comments which hood you like, and let me know if you've had any problems with one of these. Like I said, I've been running it pretty much full time for 2 months. So yeah, don't forget to buy some merch. Catch you in the next one.